Yeah, welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, we back. I had problems with the transmission. I got smoke coming from this. It looked like this last stuff I hit. What it was, this over here. Looking at it from this angle.
So I was genuinely confused at where this smoke was coming from. I had only driven about 2 blocks away before I noticed this smoke coming up out of the hood. So I go ahead and turned around and came back to the crib. And you know, this is where this video took place here. What it ended up being is it ended up being a leak from the front driver's side of the intake manifold. So I had to replace that gasket, and that stopped the overheating issue that I'm having here. But as you can see, I'm genuinely just confused. I thought I overfilled the reservoir here, which I actually did. And on top of that, I used the wrong fluid in there. So I put trans fluid in there, and that was the power steering reservoir. So I thought I realized my mistake, and I just thought I screwed up, but it ended up being a leak coming from the manifold already. And that's why it was wet on top of the manifold. So, and that's also why it splashed everywhere. So yeah, that's what I found out later on. This is me taking it out again, thinking that the problem might be solved, but it wasn't. Never realized how dark my tints were. So that's what this clip was about, seeing how dark my tints are. This also had the other side covered too with the car cover, so that made it even darker. It's tow time. So I caught a quick time lapse of me doing some work on the top end of the 78. I believe I put up the post before where the bottom end was smoking after I got it back from doing the top end work initially when I first got it. So I'm basically basically going the replacing route. So I'm breaking down the engine. This is, I'm using this as my project right now to keep me busy, and I want to go ahead and remove the engine myself. So I'm about probably 80% to where I'm ready to pull it. I know I've been away for a while, but I've been just grinding and getting things to where they're manageable for me. And this working on this, tearing down this 305 is pretty cathartic for me. So I've been at it now, going on a couple of months since I started to tear down.
A little plastic piece there. Yeah, see a new chrome piece, aluminum piece on the fan, clutch fan.
Aluminum piece?
Yeah, it goes down that way. Get in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's called a clutch fan.
Okay.
That's a heavy duty one I put in there too.
Okay.
I put no lightweight one. I put a heavy duty one.
So I dropped my wagon off and got the AC fixed. He had to replace the compressor with a used one. He replaced the damper, and he had to drain out the system completely and convert it to the R134. And he also replaced some vacuum hoses and some some other small components to get it running right, get it blowing right, because it's hard having cruising hours in the box and the AC don't work. So now we rolling with some cold AC. And again, thanks for tuning in. We rolling, and I'm still getting the 305 together, but I just wanted to capture a little footage of me sliding down 7 Mile. So thanks for the view. Tune in, and we're gonna keep rolling. Subscribe, like, and share. Peace.